So one is server, okay, one is client and one is transparent. So previously what it did, so when we connected each other, this one transparent switch has become the root bridge. So I don't want that. So I want the server switch to be a root bridge. So how to check show spanning tree. You can see. So we have made the changes. Okay. So now I'm going to configure your VTP, VLAN trunking protocols. How we can configure? So sorry, we are in global configuration mode. So VTP mode server. Because as I told you that always for default Cisco switches will be in server mode. Now VTP domain. So VTP domain, I'll give our company website AROUSH.in. Okay. You can give your company any organization website name. This is our domain name. Okay. So VTP VTP version by default, better to take the version 2 by default. If you check the click, so we'll available only version 1 and 2. So we'll take the version 2. Then VTP password. So VTP password, I will give Cisco 123. Make sure that it is a case sensitive. So you must give the same password. Then only it's going to sync. Now it has been set the password now. That's it. So I will save this configuration. So next thing is I will jump for your client. So let's configure for the client. VTP mode client. Okay. VTP domain. Okay, and domain name also we should give same. AROUSH.in. Okay. Now VTP version is 2. Okay. VTP password is Cisco 123. Done. Now transparent switch. So go to global configuration mode. So VTP mode transparent. VTP version 2. VTP domain is AROUSH.in. Okay, then VTP password Cisco 123. That's it. Do right. Okay. So now we can see here. So now what I'm going to do, we have configured the VTP, right? So we have configured for the VTP here. So this is the server and this is the client. This is the transport. So what I'm going to do now, okay. So now I have to make this link should be the trunk. Okay. So how to configure the trunk link? So first check which all the ports are connected for the trunk link. I think 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think. Let me check. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ports connected. Okay. So go to the server. So interface range fast Ethernet 0/1, 1, 2, 4, right? 4 ports. We have to make the trunk link. Okay. Right now we have to make the this one 2 link. RS 4 also we can able to connect it. We can make it all at a time. What is this? Switch port mode trunk. Okay. Then switch port trunk. See, encapsulation will not work here because it is a layer 2 switch, because we need the high-end switch for this encapsulations. So to do that, we have to take the other switch, that is 3500 switch. Okay, what we are going to do, to give the question mark, just allow all the VLANs, allow VLAN all. That's it. So we can give no shutdown if you want, then end. If you want to show VLAN, okay, right now we have not created any VLAN. check which is the trunk link, show interface trunk. So as you can see, these all interface are trunk now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 interfaces are trunk now. So as we can see here, so we have not created any VLAN here. So let's create the VLAN here. VLAN 10, name I will give HR. Okay. VLAN 20, name I will give IT. For VLAN 30, then name I will give this one, I'll give management, or admin. That's it. That will be created like this. We can see now show VLAN brief. So as you can see, we have created the 3 VLAN. There is one more VLAN. VLAN 30 we created. Oh, VLAN admin you have created. We not okay. In VLAN 30. Admin. Okay, that he has taken for the VLAN 20 admin. Okay, so we will view this is IT. Show spanning tree. Okay, sorry. Show VLAN brief. So we can see right now we have how many VLAN we have created? 3 VLAN we have created. Okay. So let's see the magic here. Just check for the client. Show VLAN. What difference can you see guys here? Can you see here? Automatically it has created the VLAN in the client switch. Okay. Check for this one transparent. So VLANs. See here. Here it will not create because it will not sync. In the transparent mode, it will not sync. Understood, guys? Guys, you're following me? Siraj?
Yeah, we are following. We are following.
Yeah. So I think, right? So if we connect one more client here, okay. So let's say I will connect here one more client. Okay. I want to ask you this question for you all the guys. So this is also client. And this is also client. Okay. I want VLAN, which are the VLAN I have created. Okay. So which are the VLAN we have created? So VLAN 10, that is HR. VLAN 20 is admin. VLAN 30 is IT. So this all VLAN is already created in the client. Now I want this to be, I want to get this VLANs in client 2. How I can do? This is my client 1. So what I can do here? So right now in this, we don't have any VLAN here. So what I should do here? Guys, pay attention, guys. It's very important because most of the works will be having in the switch, not in the routing. As simple as this. We have to make this. We have to put in the same domain name, right? How we have to put in the same domain name. We have to make this as a client. Okay. So how we can make? Go to global communication mode. Okay. VTP mode client. Okay. VTP version 2, okay, VTP domain, AROUSH which we have created the domain name. Okay, VTP password is Cisco 123. So now you check whether it will create the VLAN. So still it is not creating. Why? You check show VTP status. See here, it is belongs to the VLAN or same domain name. So version 1 to 2 we have created. So configuration we have made correctly. We have made the client domain name we have created, version also we did. Okay, and the password also we have created, but still we are not getting the VLAN. See, for this switch we got the VLAN, right? Okay, HR, admin, and IT VLANs. But the client, this client we are not getting. So what we should do? Who will answer this? As simple as this, yes. We have to make these two as a trunk link. That's it. Okay. So I'll go to this switch. So which port is connected? We can connect, I think, which all the ports. I think, I don't know which all the ports connected. 5 and 6, yeah. It is 5 and 6. So go to the switch, client switch, that is upper client. So go to global configuration mode, interface range fast Ethernet 0/5 and 6. So switch port mode trunk. Okay, switch port trunk allow VLAN all. That's it. I'll give notion. Then show VLANs. Now we can see here it is created. So not check for this other switch. Let's see. Yeah. Let's check for this switch now. Show VLANs. So now it has been created for the switch 1. This is the advantage, right, of the VLAN trunking protocol. Okay, we cannot go every switches and create the VLAN by sitting in the same place. Okay, make the one server switch remaining all the client. So once we create the VLANs, so automatically it will create for all the switches automatically. We can keep adding a lot of switches here. Automatically it will create. Okay, so this is switching lab. I'll make it as this is VTP lab. Any question, guys? Do you have any question?